Hey Sky, today I would like to show you what is web application and what difference between website and web application.
So a web application is an application that is stored on a remote server and delivered over the internet through a browser interface. So it can be accessed everywhere and all devices. Because web applications are very convenient to use and easy to update and maintain without disturbing and install software on computers of the user. So we don't need to install any software to your MacBook, your tablet, your Android, your iOS, or your Linux, etc. So how to build a better web application for business? Let's follow my 3 steps. Step 1. Focus on user tasks, not features. Please don't build features that are not important and not involve this process. Just designing a simple application that what the user are doing. Okay. Step 2. Don't try to solve everything. Application may not be resolve everything for the first time. So some part need to do yourself and keep with the technology and knowledge to improve the application for the next time. Because the method to build application we need to testing before launching the program, so we can go back to design and update. Step 3. Before start to design and write down the case on the paper, please ask the right question early. It means don't try to do anything with your idea or with your mind. Yes, because some application maybe you understand how to build, but please don't try. You have to meet and interview the guy who in the process, the guy who made the problem, the guy who need to improve, especially the guy who knows all the process in the organization. So there's the case we need to study and design a procedure for the new system that will be built. Thank you. In this slide, I would like to show you what is different between website and web application. Website is a set of page information on internet about particular subject and published by single person or organization. It is the static information and super efficient, extremely fast to build, because now you can find the beautiful template from any website to download and modify the content, change the image, video or music. And the website just the static information. That is the difference between web application, because web application also everything of the website, but just possible to execute computer programming on the web page. Yes, some developers they use the web database management system to build an application system, or for dynamic website, for accounting management system, for finance management system, for banking management system, or e-commerce shopping, or communication network on the website. Because as you know, the web application can be accessed from everywhere and all device without disturbing to install the software on the mobile or the tablet or the Mac, the Linux, the Windows or iPhone or iOS, etc.
So how it works? Website and web application are running by web service of web server. Web service is get the request from the client request, then finding the URL to execute programming code and output the result to a web page in HTML language format, then respond to the client request over the internet by HTTP or HTTPS protocol. The client receives the response from web servers and then translate the HTML language format to the text, image, video or music by web browsers.
Let's see this figure of the processing of the client device access the web page to the web servers. Here is the example. The client is request the web page www.ey.sey.com. This diagram is the flow of the request and the response from the web servers. Let's see the desktop computers or the mobile or tablet. First is the type www.ey.sey.com. So the device will be send the request to the web server over the internet by HTTP protocol or HTTPS, and the web server is running by web service, got the request URL, define the URL page and generate output the HTML code language, or if the web server are installed the application like PHP programming, the ASP programming, .NET frameworks or JSP, all the programming will be generate output to the HTML language format and transfer to the client over the internet by HTTP or HTTPS. And then after the client receive the response in HTML language format, the web browser will be translate all of that code to display the information to the user that can read by the human. Thank you.